Yeah. Wait for.
And then I can wash it with our.
I can no problem.
And also.
Wow, mag-isa na lang si Beshi dyan.
Talagang ginampanan niya na talaga yung...
Whatever you doing any treatment.
Ba't iba ginamit mo?
Di ba napagamit ginagamit niya? You come for the training.
Ayan din, meron din po tayo doon.
Ultrasound.
Dito ko yung bilahin.
Ayan guys. Ayan, titignan natin maigi kung paano tanggalin yung molopecia,
You can even this one.
yung nunal.
This one no. This one. I think this one. This one can also take.
Kaya sa mga viewers po natin dyan na mayroong malalaking
If it's white
nunal
already, right?
sa mukha o kahit sa parte ng
If this one
katawan,
is white already,
ayan,
meaning it's soft
napakabilis lang
already,
po
right?
tanggalin. Mag-message lang po kayo dyan sa comment section.
Later on, you just see, okay?
Pinless po siya. Wala pong sakit na mararamdaman.
Big one no. The one you don't take up. Later come a big one.
Nandito po tayo ngayon sa Malaysia.
Yeah. More.
Yeah.
Bulmol.
Wala naman din. Baka di ba?
Kaya kailangan nalagyan natin ng solution.
I will remove my mole in my butt.
In your butt? What?
Every day
Tumatawag.
I will not use panty anymore.
Teka, may tumatawag.
Tumatawag. Ay, walang ganyan.
What you call that?
Tatsuko.
I see.
Not enough. Yeah,
What you call that? What you call that?
Watching her tatsuko. Tatsuko.
What you call this? The one?
Hello
That
po.
one.
Not enough.
Yes po, nandito po free. Opo,
Messi.
nandito
Messi
po
the name.
kayo.
Oh, this one.
No name.
No, the name is Chinese.
Wala po problema.
Chinese ginseng.
Yes.
No problem po. Just take your time.
Chinese ginseng.
Nandito po. Nanggagamot din siya. Ito, nandito ate.
Hi po.
Nanggagamot. Nagpe-facial po siya. Nagpe-facial pa. Sige po, hintayin po namin.
1, 2.
Oh. Sige po, hintayin kayo po namin. Opo. Okay po.
Sabi kaya ito, Susan.
San? Anong tawag sa machine na yan?
Yan. Nasa kubo.
I'm inspired.
Ayan ang ultrasound.
I'm inspired.
Anong tawag sa ano, yung procedure na yan?
Naubo ako.
Hydrotherapy, then depigmentation.
Dito naman hydro.
Hindi, ito naman is
Yung iniyak
removal.
kanina.
Kanina depigmentation lang.
Sabi kasi hindi ko pwede. Kasi 2 days kami mag-iyak.
Hydro depigmentation.
Deep. Deep.
Wow.
This one, ayan.
Matatanggal ko rin yung kulangot mo.
Matatanggal na.
Ano, natanggal na ang ganda na.
Ayan guys, napakabilis. Walang sakit, walang dugo.
Walang sakit, walang dugo.
Sarap ang andyan.
Bakit kami hindi yung mukha na kasi 2 days.
Kasi nagpa-cleansing kayo eh. Kaya dapat mag-stay yan ng 2 days.
Kailan ba ako mag-ano kahapon?
Dapat ng Tuesday pa yan. Pwede na yan.
Ang galis oh, bilis. Vlog ka na, vlog na.
Then I'll do that extraction later ha. The pushing.
Ayan, linalagyan natin ng ginseng solution. Tama? I'm right?
Is that ginseng?
No.
What's
This
that?
one, no ginseng.
Hmm?
Ginseng is this one.
No,
Chinese
what's
ginseng.
inside? This one, what's
Ginseng.
inside? What's inside here? This one.
You must tell
Hmm?
Christina Jin. I don't know how.
You don't know?
I know, but I don't know how to explain you.
Ginseng.
No, ginseng is this one.
How come you cannot explain?
No, this one.
How come you cannot explain? It's in Chinese.
Ginseng?
No powder, that's the powder. This ginseng.
No, this one is not ginseng. Not ginseng. Ginseng is the healing cream. Healing gel. Healing gel.
Yeah, when I finish the
In the box got. There the box. You see got one set.
so we cannot
Lapit natin.
dry.
Doon sa peripheral.
Dapat sa taas din. Dinalagyan mo din ba sa taas kanina?
Sa taas, oh.
Tapos titingnan mo nga,
Oo.
aangat pag pinagano'n mo. Alam mo,
That's for what? I'm going to wash.
sa peripheral lahat muna.
Kasi mag-ano nag-reading na siya eh.
5 minutes, 20 minutes. And
Yan, malapit na matanggal yung
Malapit na.
Ang ilong, malapit na.
Malapit na.
after we will remove, it's like a mask. If you absorb,
Hindi lang pala surrounding by
three for what?
Leonora. Leonora.
Nasakit ako. Hindi na siya eh. Nakalambot na.
This one is ginseng.
Ginseng.
This hand.
So, I put it into hot water.
No, no need put hot water. Hot water is that one. This one later you do this one. After this one you apply this one.
Ano, what's that? Powder.
So, ito siya.
This one is this.
Ah,
yan yung
okay.
sinabi
So,
Yan yung,
what
yan yung,
is the name of this?
yan yung meron sa atin.
Ano yan yung nasa...
Yan yung ilalagay mo na.
Nasakit mo.
That's gel, right?
Yeah.
Di ba
You put first in the hot water. So that then you put a little here. Okay, and then I can do this extraction
And
na.
after this,
Take
you apply
after this and then you take out this one and then apply this one.
Okay.
to control the
Then later on,
blood.
if already removed, that one na.
Yes.
Okay. That's ginseng, right?
Yes.
Yeah, yeah. How do I know if it can be, I can do the,
You can try.
I can do
See,
it, huh?
you see the white color already.
Yeah.
And then you train the white color and then you can do. You ask the
I lift it
person,
up like that, like that?
Like this. You ask the person, excuse me,
Tinutusok.
pain or not?
Pain or
Pain or
not?
not?
Pain or not?
Pain or
Uy,
not?
magsalita ka.
No
Hindi
pain,
daw, no.
no pain, you can just
Okay, I'll do it.
Go ahead.
Okay, I'll do it.
and then put a bit.
怎么这个可以这还不可以做？还是会咩鬼字啊？嗰個
Yun ang ginseng pala.
Masakit eh? Masakit? Hindi. Hindi.
Pain or not? Kaya na, ah.
做不到，
Pain or not? Hindi?
他自己跪了。
Ikot-ikotin mo yung ano. Yan.
Alice, why you like this? Why you like this?
Yeah. I prefer this one.
Because you very tall.
Yeah.
And this bed also very short, you know.
Hindi masakit, ate?
Malaysia very tall, you know.
Kaya, ah. Ayun, natusok ko na. Natusok ko na. Hindi masakit, ate, ha? Sabihin mo lang, ha?
Ilipat mo naman sa kabila.
Susan, very nice. Ganda, very nice.
佢可以學有快。
Hindi na ako nila pinalo.
Ikaw, sakit? May pain? Okay. Ay, oo, lumambot na
Ayan,
siya.
walang mararamdaman sakit pero malambot siya. Linalambot yung ating nunal.
Lumambot na siya.
Lagyan mo ng lagyan mo ng serum.
Okay. May pain wala?
Lagyan mo ng serum.
May pain? May pain pa.
Lagyan mo ng serum kaya.
Sige pa pa. Teka. May pain pa din.
I'm here.
Masakit na.
May na-load na.
Nasakit pa din.
Ultrasound machine for the ultrasound machine is to penetrate and to do lifting. You see, if your customer, the old people, they don't, a lot of people they don't really have money for the stem cell. So they do the ultrasound machine every month they do. Initially they do 2 times in a month, in a month. Next month, in a month 2 times. Next month also 2 times. Then after that, every month they come. They maintain some
Ano yan, yung ano?
Yun ang ultrasounds.
You have to remove the seroma.
After finish already, see the skin be very right.
Try natin dito.
Silang block.
Combine together.
Energy spray and
Yeah, na-remove na oh.
Close the eye.
There's a blood already.
yeah, but come out, you can put a bit there.
What?
Eh?
Ayusin mo.
Hindi ba natanggal? Parang tumapsik yan.
May natanggal na.
Malapit na.
Sama. Sama.
Matatanggal mo ba?
Pasina, ang liit lang.
Ayuda.
Malalim yung ano.
Malalim yung ano.
Nakalubog siya.
Tapos gagawin natin Julins niyan.
Lisa.
Pinimpress daw niya.
No?
Ipaserve mo yun sa suka.
Di, like that?
Yeah.
That do the hydro.
Hindi pa kaya.
Huwag mo ano.
Now,
Did they?
now the one and also Jay.
And
And also,
Siya, pen na sana.
Okay, sana.
No, no more pain. Still painful, right?
Yesterday, done already.
Still painful?
First treat.
Oh, the hydro.
Now hydro.
Yeah.
Ang dagadan mo sisi.